Hi Firebirds, just a reminder, we're talking about 3D shapes this week. So our 3D shapes are shapes that are solid. Our solid shapes are things that you can pick up and hold them. 3D shapes can roll, stack, or slide like you did in our last lesson. We're going to go over our shape names right now and talk a little bit more about them. So this is our cube. Our cube has, let's count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 faces, which means the flat parts on the shape, and it also has 8 vertices, which means 8 corners. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 vertices and 6 faces on our cube. Next we have our cylinder. Our cylinders are fun because they have a whole rounded side. This whole thing is round. We know it's round because it'll roll. And it also has 2 faces. The face is the flat side, so we have one face here and the second face right here. So we have one rounded piece and 2 faces for our cylinder. Okay, next we have a sphere. Our sphere doesn't have any sides, it doesn't have any edges, it's completely round. So it'll roll all day long. So this is called a sphere. And the last one we have is a cone. Our cone is fun because it has a face, it has a rounded part, and it also has a point at the top. This is a cone. What you're going to do with our shapes today is fun. Hi Barkley. You're going to build your own shapes. So you're going to use things you have in your house. You can use paper. I used a little bit of Play-Doh. You can use straws. You can use pipe cleaners. Anything you have, and you're going to find different ways to build these shapes. And I'm going to show you how I did it. Okay, so the first shape I built was a cone. And all I did was I got some paper and I made a point and I rolled it around to make a cone. Our cone, see how it has the point at the top and a rounded edge? And then it has the face on the bottom. Next, I built a cylinder out of paper as well. And it has one whole rounded side. It'll roll just like that. And a face on the top and a face on the bottom. Okay, this one was really hard. I built a cube. I used toothpicks and Play-Doh to help me. I started with the base down here, and then I stuck the toothpicks all in there so it would work. Then my favorite one, the easy one, was to build a sphere. It's really important that you roll it so it's nice and smooth so that it's perfectly round all around. So what we would like you guys to do is we would love for you to build your own 3D shapes. And then I'll show you a picture of what this should look like. And you're going to write how many curved sides there are, how many faces there are, if it's a curved one. But for the cube, I want you to write down how many vertices and how many faces it has. I'll attach a picture so you know what it should look like. Bye!